Welcome, let me say SONY Xperia 5 Mark II, and today I'll show you how to capture a screenshot on device. So to get started, you want to open up the content that you wish to capture, which for me I'm going to use settings as an example. And once it's open, simply press power key and volume down. Actually hold it, there we go. Once you hold it, you have this animation, pop-up will come up so you can share, edit or delete, and after a moment it just disappears. There we go. So that is how you capture your screenshot, and that is one of the ways. I believe there is also by holding the power key. Yeah, so you can see when you hold power key you have the power off, restart, and also a screenshot option. Does the same thing. And sometimes you also have a toggle right in here, but it looks like it's not here. Now all the screenshots that I have captured can be easily found in your photo gallery, so let's open that up. And you can see them right on the top, screenshots. So there are the two screenshots. Now if you have more screenshots, it will then create folders and categories, and you can easily find them in a folder called screenshots. So that is basically how you would capture a screenshot on this device. And if you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.